Good. Plus 5. First you need to type the text in the Word as a document. Now you want to see I'm going to show you the how to create header and footer. So to create header and footer, what we have to do, first we have to go to the insert option in the ribbon. So if you go to the insert option, there you get the option over here, the header and footer. So if you click this one, you get the header over here. Suppose if I type name of a company, suppose is dot I wrote the heading, okay, and after that increase the size, so you can see I can increase the size. I wrote 28, put it in the center. So this is the header, then just below enterprise. Okay, if I want to write the address 17, just imagine Park Street I'm writing over here. Kolkata. Now I can reduce the size of this one. Instead of 20, so that's my heading, it's done. So whenever I'm going to write any document, this heading will come in all the pages. Now coming to the footer, so if I go down, insert header and footer. Now if I choose the footer, this is my header. Now I need to go to the footer, so to go down there, the down over there. Okay, I can give my contact number. So the contact number, let me increase the size 12 and put in the center. So now in my page, if I preview the page, so in the page what I get, this is the header is there, and the footer also at the bottom. If I go down, the footer is there. So the header and footer both are there. Next, I am going to show you after header and footer. Next, I am going to show you the column, how to create columns. So see, I have the okay. Now how to create columns. So I have my page, the documents are typed. Okay, so before doing the column I need to select it. So I select the entire documents and then go to the page layout. Then you have the option of column. See the number of columns, 1 2 3. Suppose I want to make 2 columns. So since my paragraph was small, so this is one column is over here, the another can be fitted over here. Let me do undo, and let me copy this paragraph again. Control C. Yes, so I have 3 paragraphs, the entire page having 3 paragraphs. Now Control A to select all. Let me select entire all the paragraph. Yes, I have selected the all the paragraph. Now if I choose the column, now suppose I want to make 3 columns. See, I have 3 columns, the entire paragraph into having into 3 columns. Undo, I came back again. Now suppose I want to have 2 columns. I don't need 3 columns, so I can have 2 columns, the first and the rest. All the 3 paragraphs are converted into 3 columns, 2 columns. Yes, so this is the way you can create columns. Now coming to the page break. Now suppose you write the page break, that's mean whatever the page you have, you have one single page. Now we have now one single page. This page can be break into 2 part page break. So see, you can see one here, and the previous one is, this is the first page, this is the second page. So the page has been broken into 2 pages, 1 2. Going to undo, coming back to the same. Now I will show the margin. Here the margins are there. You can see the margin you need: normal margin, moderate, so narrow. It's upon depend upon the page or the margin you will select. So the as per the margin, we have the gap between this column gap over here and here. Next, after setting the margin, if you need to see the orientation, Now what is orientation? Come to home page. Okay. Now to see the orientation, you want to see the now to see orientation, come to page layout. There you have a orientation. Orientation, you have portrait, which is vertical, and landscape, which is horizontal. Portrait, vertical, landscape, horizontal. So let us see the preview. This is in the portrait form. This is in the portrait. See the page size, it's straight. Now if you want to see in the multiple page, let me show you in the multiple page. So this is the portrait. Okay. Now landscape, horizontal. See the preview. So this is landscape, horizontal. Next I will show you the paper size. Next we have the size. If you come, you have A4 size, which is normal Xerox paper. Then other size depend upon the letter, template, legal. Okay, so different paper size are there. We use A4 size normally. So in this way, now let me show you one thing, that page color. You can have the page color. You can choose your page color. Suppose I am choosing this color. You can have a page color like this. Along with that, you can have a page border. How you want to change? You can change the like this, or page color, any color of your documents. That I am doing the page color. Now the border, page border. You can select any border. You can see this page border and shading. So you can choose any border. Suppose I am choosing the border, this one, the line, and bit thick if you want. The thickness depending upon you. If you want the color of the year, so since my page is red, I am giving yellow. So now see, I have a page border. This is a header. Header is there. Okay, header. Then my footer is there. So this is the page border or page color you can see. So now you want to see the preview. You can see the preview. It's look like this. The color will not come, but while printing the color will come. Still we have orientation. Let us change it into portrait. So that's all, class 5. So let us see the book.